Welcome to Crazy Bankers. Today's topic wrong number series. Let's start. First question 77, 90, 105, 126, 149, 178. Let's take a difference. 3, 1 plus 13, 5 and plus 15. Next plus 21. Next 3, 2 plus 29. Difference is 13, 15, 21, 23, 29. In these two numbers is 2. The difference between 15 and 21 is 6. 21 and 23 is 2. 23 and 29 is 6. According to this is a perfect series, but we need to find wrong number. So 13, 15, 21, 23, 29. We have a problem. So let's go to the basics. First is even number series. 13, 15, 21 is not an even number series. So next odd number series. These are odd numbers, but the series in 2, 6, 2, 6. So this is not an odd number series. Next prime numbers. Let's see. 13 is a prime. 15 is not a prime. 21 is not a prime. 23 is a prime and 29 is a prime. So from the 5 differences, 3 have prime numbers and 2 is not a prime number. So the problem is here from these 3 numbers, and the answer is 105. First, because 13 is different, so these both the 2-digit numbers are correct, and here 29 is different, so these 2 digits are correct, and 23 difference, so this is 126 is also correct. So remaining only here, we don't need to find what that number is, just we need to find wrong number. Let's check here. The difference is 13, 15, 21, 23, 29. We know that this is a prime series. So 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. So after 13 there is 17 is a prime number and 19. So we need to add 2 digits here. So it becomes 107. So 107 plus 26, difference is 19. So 19 is right. So this is 105 is wrong number. Second question 144, 72, 24, 19, 4, 2. From the first 2 digits we can easily say that is divisible by 2, and from the last 2 digits is divisible by 2 or plus minus 2. So let's see. This is divisible by 2, right? 144 divisible by 2, that is 72. Next 72 divisible by 3, 24 into 3, that is 72, right? But 24 and 19 difference is 5, so it is not divisible. Next 19 and 4 is 15. 15 is not divisible here. So the next is 4 and 2. It is divisible by 2. Now we see that there is a divisible series 2, 3 and something divisible here. So this 19 is not divisible by any number. This is a wrong series, wrong number in this series. Let's check. Let's apply 2, 3 as a series. If divisible by 2 here, it becomes 12, and again it is divisible by 3, it becomes 4. So wrong number is 19. Third question. 20, 9, 7, 11, 40, 310. From the last two digits, it is multiplying. There is a multiplication is happening here. From the first few digits, it is a subtraction, decreasing in the series, so there is a subtraction. Let's try it. Here is a multiplying into 0.5, that is 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 1, 9 minus 2, that is 7. 7 into 2, 14 minus 3, that is 11. 11 into 4, that is 44 minus 4, 40. And all the digits in the series are right, so this is a wrong number in the series. Let's check. Into 40 into 8, 320 minus 5, that is 315. Fourth question. 1728, 1584, 1444, 1310, 1176, 1048. The difference between these numbers is very less, so let's take a difference. Subtracting. So for 1584, we need 16, it becomes 1600. So 128 plus 16, 128 plus 16, 134 plus 10, 144. Subtraction. Next, 4 4 is 0. We need 4, and 15 and 14, there is a 1, so minus 140. We need 4, we need 3, and we need 1, minus, and here we need 24, it becomes 1200. 1200 plus 120, 134, so is minus 134. The next number is 48. So here is 8, 56, 20, 1. Here is the minus. From the series 144, 140, 134, 134 and 128, there is difference between these two numbers is 4. Here is 6, here is 0, and here is 6. From here we see a difference is 4, 6, 0, 6. And all the numbers in the series are decreasing, but the difference in this series here is 0. That means the problem in between these three numbers 144, 1310, 1176. Let's see. There is a gap of 6 in between 1176 and 1048. So these are decreasing, so this number is right. And here is 144 and 140, difference is 4, so here decreasing, so these two numbers are right. And the third number, this is also right because this is decreasing here, and the series only 1310 is a wrong number in the series. It is not decreasing, and the difference creating is 0. So 1310 is wrong number in the series. Let's check here. The series must be this 4, difference is 4, 6, and here is 0, and here is 6. So the series may be 4, 6, 4, 6 or 4, 4, 4 something. Let's start with the 4. 144 and 4 minus 4 is 140. Next, 140 minus 4, that is 136. So here minus 136, so it must be reduced to 2, so that is 1308. Now the difference between these two numbers here is 24 plus 8, 32, that is minus 132. Next, again 4, there is a 4 difference here. Okay, now here is a 4 difference, that is 128, so this is the right series, and the error in this is 1308. 1310 is a wrong number in the series. 10, 15, 24, 35, 54, 75, 100. The series, the gap between these numbers is very less, so let's take a difference. This is 5 plus 5, and here it is 9. Now here is 11. Now 35 and 54, that is 19. Now 54 and 71, that is 21. Here is 25. 5, 9, 11, 19, 21, 25. Let's take another difference. Here is 4, 9 and 11, that is 2. 11 and 19, this is 8. 19 and 21, that is 2. And here 21 and 24 is 4. Now we have 4, 2, 8, 2, 4. We have 2 times 4 and 2 times 2. That maybe this series is 4 number series or something else. Let's try with the 4. Let's 4. 5 plus 4, 9. So here we had 4. 9 plus 4, 13. So here is a 13. So 24 plus 13, this is 37. Now the difference, 37 and 54, here is 17. It becomes 17. Now here is difference is 4. Now 17, 21, difference become 4. So this is 4 number series, and the wrong number in the series is 35.